So before we continue to the other types of graphs, let's talk about the quadratic formula. So sometimes we cannot use cross-method factorization to find the roots of x for x. Therefore, we have to use the quadratic formula, which is another way to calculate or factorize a quadratic. So for example, this equation over here, x squared minus x minus 1 cannot be factorized using cross method. To prove it to you, here, I'll show you. Now, 1, there can only be 1 and 1, which will give you, well, 1. And no matter what you do, no matter what you do, it's either you get 2x or you get 0x. You can never get negative x in this scenario. Therefore, we cannot use this method to solve for x. This is why we have our glorious quadratic formula. Now, the quadratic formula takes this formula, negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You have to memorize this formula, and it's very important. This formula can solve all quadratic equations with real roots, meaning that b squared minus 4ac has to be greater or equals to 0, since you cannot square a negative number. Yep, as you see, you cannot square a negative number. And therefore, this over here is called the discriminant, also known as just d.